So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your Bitcoin wallet address on your Binance app. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Binance app, then you have to log in, and then you will land on this page, home page. Then what you have to do, you have to click on wallets. After doing so, you have to click on deposit option here. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, you have to click on search, and you have to search for BTC so that you can receive the Bitcoin. You have to click on BTC. After doing so, you have to select the network that you wanna receive the Bitcoin from. You have to click, I am going to select Ethereum. So the Bitcoin will come via the Ethereum network. Then you will find your wallet address. You can pretty much copy this wallet address and send it to anyone. Otherwise, you can scan this QR code and receive the Bitcoin on your wallet. So this is how you can find your Bitcoin wallet address on your Binance app. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.